لکھیں جی ریڈی. باب پاکستان ٹرسٹ آگے والا ٹھیک ہے لکھیں. آفٹر فائنلائزنگ دا سلیکشن کوما the committee shall communicate the same to the concerned appointing authority for issuance of orders which shall be issued without further verification of character and antecedents full stop. Posts in BS1 to BS4 comma which include the post of naib qasid comma mali comma chokidar comma dhobi and sanitary worker etc comma do not require any academic qualifications and the only attributes which candidate for these jobs can be required to possess or experience of the work involved in the jobs and good character of the candidates full stop. No selection criteria in terms of qualifications etc can comma therefore comma be prescribed full stop. The selection committee may therefore develop their own criteria for such posts full stop. For posts in BS5 including clerks in the educational institutions comma where certain skill is needed in additional to academic qualifications comma qualified candidates with necessary reference and verification comma considered suitable by the selection committees who do not possess the skill may be selected subject to the condition that they shall acquire the skill within a reasonable period full stop. The case in point is the post of junior clerk for which in addition to qualifications of matriculation typing speed of 25 words per minute is required full stop. Candidates who possess the academic qualifications but do not possess the requisite skill in typing may be selection subject to the condition that they acquire the prescribed typing speed within 6 months of that they acquire the prescribed typing speed within 6 months of their appointment and in case of their failure to do so comma their services shall be liable to termination full stop. Persons possessing requisite skill of typing should comma however comma be given preference having typing skill are not available full stop. Recruitment to all teaching post up to BS 15 and the post of secondary school teacher BS 16 and education department shall be made from among trained qualified candidates having minimum prescribed qualifications for the respective post who have appropriate reference and verification of respectable citizens of the area full stop. However comma where trained teachers are not available comma untrained teachers may be appointed on ad hoc basis on the recommendations of the respective selection committee subject to the condition that they would acquire the requisite qualifications within a period of 3 years full stop. Notification to this effect has been issued YD this department's notification number SOR 3 2-122/89 under bracket B comma dated 14/8/1990 copy and close, full stop. Persons having higher academic qualifications should be given preference in case of recruitment of untrained teachers, full stop. Commissioner and deputy commissioners finalize recruitment to all posts within their jurisdiction, full stop.